From Nadia Pets Cross, this video is about the easy methods, of course short of a DNA test, to identify the gender or sexing in baby duck, also known as ducklings. In this video you will learn very simple steps to determine the gender. Before starting the video, an humble request: if you could subscribe YouTube channel and like Facebook page of Nadia Pets Cross to get any future upload in quick time. Thanks in anticipation. Ducklings come in many colors, from plain yellow to tones of buff and gray intersected with black markings. Ducklings purchased individually at a feed store or hatch them at home display a few natural clues to let you know which are boys and girls. Method 1. Listen their quacks. Listen closely to your ducks to know who's who. Female ducklings tend to be noisier than males and have a higher activity level. By age of 6 weeks, females are louder and make distinct quacks, while males at this age sound raspy and low-key. Put a piece of colored masking tape on the leg of your loudmouths. If they tend to be the loudest in the group over the course of several days, they're most likely females. Method of down color. Down coloration is usually the same in ducklings of either gender. The exception is a sole breed, the Golden Hybrid 300, where ducklings are black if they're male and brown gray if female. Bigger boys. By 4 to 6 weeks, male ducklings look significantly larger than female ducklings. Their legs are thicker and they appear to stand taller than females due to their size, especially in breeds with upright body carriage such as magpie and runner ducks. In some species such as mallards and pekin, a curled tail feather easily differentiate the boys. Pekins also have a single black feather on their white bodies, which you can find on their back under their wings. Method of vent checking. Vent sexing is an accurate way to tell a duckling's gender as early as a day old. The procedure involves extruding a male's penis from the vent opening to tell gender. Have your farm or avian vet show you how to do this before attempting it yourself to avoid accidentally in during your duck's genitalia. Your avian vet also can perform endoscopic examination of your duckling's fiber optic imaging equipment. The vet administers anesthetic and inserts the endocope into one of the bird's abdominal air sacs. The sac's membranes are clear, allowing the vet to see a single ovary or pair of testes. A less invasive way to tell sex scientifically is to send a bit of eggshell or feather to a DNA testing lab. Either method costs more than the price of the average duckling. In the end, we are grateful for your patience watching. Please stay connected, and if possible, please subscribe YouTube channel and like Facebook page of Nadia Pets Cross to get any future upload in quick time. Thanks again.